Do you need your receipt?
Yes, please. Okay. We're here. Yeah. Morning.
Good morning, Juan. Finally get to meet you.
Good morning. How you doing?
More than fishing. Breakfast fishing day. Yeah.
Take one of these. Like.
Yeah. What?
There's a trot.
Where are you from?
Brazil.
Brazil. You came all the way from Brazil? Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm talking about. This is the More Than Fishing breakfast fishing day. Community. Eating. Whale. Look at this, guys. This is the best right here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. We call that star bread or the señorita bread.
He goes, the rod's really light. Sorry for you, Brad.
Yeah.
No, that's okay.
This is what I'm talking about. Fun. 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 That's what we need in fishing. Fun. Let's have fun. We talk to each other. We help each other. We have fun.
That's funny that you said that because someone at what's more than fishing? I said camaraderie.
Yeah! What do you got there? A female Dungeness crab.
Yeah. Well, we put them back if they're too small, and if they're gravid, they have eggs, you probably should put them back. But here in California, if they're over 5 3/4 of an inch, you can also put them in the pot if you want.
Yep. June 30th, no more crabbing, or the last day.
Yeah, June 30th, next Friday for most of California.
Yeah.
If you are in Mendocino or Humboldt County, you have until the end of July.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
You got me a baby one.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's good, man. That's good. That's probably 19 inches.
Good enough for my wife. She'll make a sinigang.
Those are the good ones. The legal size in California is 18 inches. So this one is 20 inches.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right.
Yep. So the reason why you don't put the measuring tape on top because it bends.
Yeah.
So you don't want that. So it adds more.
It makes you feel better.
Yeah. So make sure you put it.
Really good, accurate measurement.
Make sure you put it flat on the ground and measure it from there.
There you go.
Yeah, that's
So
20
it's
inches.
19 and a
right
half.
there. So, congrats, Joey. All right. Now we're not zero. More than fishing, baby. Breakfast fishing day. He got a red tail. Oh my goodness.
Red one. Can't keep this one, right?
No, you can't keep that. That's actually undersized red tail.
All right.
A limit size for that is 10 and a half inches. So we're gonna have to throw that back.
Fish. All right.
All right, good job, man. Good fish. Is that your first fish?
Yep.
In the surf?
First one.
Oh yeah. Nice. Run. All right. Good job, man.
Good stuff.
Good job. All right. Dude, that looks big. What's going on there? That looks big.
Salad. A big one.
You got a salad. That's a walleye surf perch, right?
First fish here, yeah.
Yeah. On the surf?
On the surf.
Yeah.
On the surf, yeah.
That's awesome. Wait, okay, ready. What do you got there?
Sand crab, the fish finder at the top. That's how we find it. And then a whole bunch of buffet sand crab.
That's
Soft
four
shell.
Soft shell sand crab.
Woo!
All right. Just there. Don't need to. Ah. That's okay.
It's hard to tell sometimes.
Right there. Right there. I saw it. You got one?
I think so. Maybe.
Yeah! Yeah! That's a good perch right there. Oh, that's a walleye. Walleye. Nice, man.
Nice.
Good catch. Yeah. Look at that. Good walleye right there.
More than fishing.
Yeah. All right. Catch and release. And that's a red tail, man. Yeah, the size limit for that is 10.5, so that's too small.
Too small.
We gotta have to let him go.
Beautiful fish.
All right, good catch, bro.
Second one.
Second one. Awesome. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a fish. Right there. Woo! Awesome. Yeah. Come on. Right there. Let's go. Ah. I'm tired. I'm ready. There's a swipe bass right there. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Woo. Woo. Yeah.
Wait up. One more time.
One more time. One more time.
One more time.
One more time. There you go.
It's mine now.
Yeah. Come on. One more.
Oh, that's the wave. No, that's it.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Stripe bass. Woo.
Sand crab.
Yeah, that's sand crabs right there. Soft shell sand crabs. Awesome. Congrats, man.
Good job, Thank you.
Oh yeah, give me a fist. Yeah. So thanks to everyone that came here today. And it's a good fishing day today. The weather's kind of gloomy and misty, but yeah, that doesn't stop us from fishing. We love fishing. Everybody loves fishing.
It's more than fishing. It's more than fishing.
It's more than fishing. Some people here doesn't even fish. They just they just here and eating this food. And thanks for those who brought food. That's awesome. There's people right here. There's the reason why we have more than fishing. Yeah, it's not just fishing.
It's
More than fishing. Yeah.